This video is only for education and information purpose. Don't purchase any product without making proper research. Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to talking about clutch glue, you can say tape. Okay, so is this product really worthy for you or not, and what are the main problems of this product? So let's get started. First of all, my dear friends, I want to inform you this is a very popular product, and this product is very popular on internet. And as you know, this is a product, and this product is used for you can say females who want to tape their, you can say, clothes, or you can say stylish clothes on your body. And is this you can say glue really worthy or not? So my dear friends, as you can see, the cost on, you can say, this website, like this is a Priceline Pharmacy, and the cost is $29, and on this website the cost is approx like $18. And if we go with like 30 ml, then the cost is approx like $25. And on this website the cost is $33. So there is a very big difference in terms of cost. This is the first problem. Now come to the second problem. The second problem is, you can see the product is like only 15 ml and the cost is approx like $29. This is a very huge cost. Now come to the main point. If you have so much money, then you can try it. Otherwise you can avoid this product, because this price is a very huge price, or you can say very expensive product. So is this really worthy for you or not? So my dear friends, as you know, 15 ml, you can say, if it go long for only for like approx 10 to 15 times, or you can say 16 times, 20 times max to max, so you need to pay like $29. This is a very big amount. Okay, so if you have so much money, then you can use it, you can try it. Otherwise you can avoid. And where you need to purchase this product, you can buy this product on any other website, because this product is not available on you can say Amazon. It product should be on Amazon also, but this product is not available on Amazon. So I really don't think why this is not available on Amazon. I really confusion about this product. Okay, so this is my information for you. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. And thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.